good evening, guys. How are you? Topic for today is to get along with our problems. We need to adapt the ideas in the Bible we're in. We should always think positive in all of our ways, in all of our moves, in all of our thinkings. We always think the ways of God so that we can be able to move along in an everyday life. Aside from that, you have to always think positive and avoid that negative thoughts in your mind. Do not entertain negative energies that Satan is pouring in onto you. Always focus on what you're doing. Do what the Bible says, whatever you think good for you, the body will achieve. And believe me, it always follows whatever good intentions you want and you need. You just only focus on what you're doing. Okay? You do not think of anything into your thoughts, into your mind, into everything. And focus on what you're doing for your own sake. For the benefit of your own sake. And for the success of what you want to happen in your short goals, in your long span goals. Always think of the word attitude. Attitude is the most important thing in a human being. Okay? My next video will teach you how to maintain a good, pleasant attitude